Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we are going to talk about a project called Income 15, and we are going to do a scam check. And guys, if you've been subscribed to this channel for a longer time, you know we are looking for, has the team been KYC'd, has the contract been audited, can we check the contract, and all of this stuff. So first of all, guys, let me show you. This will be a quick one because actually they don't even have a white paper, so they don't even tell you really what they are doing at all. Okay, so let me show you what they are claiming to be. Basically, they say you get 15% profit for 10 days, and look, spelling profites, or I don't know how they would spell it or call it, because it's called profits. And profits, of course, you write without the e, and here you also have profit, profitee. Yeah, okay, spelling mistake, whatever. Basically, so I can show you guys there is not even a contract address. That means you can not even check what is going on. Usually you can check the contract address on BSC scan, for example. Basically what they put here is just a random number. Yeah, the team doesn't say anything about who they are, where they're from, nothing at all. Okay, so of course the contract has not been audited, the team has not been KYC'd, and they don't even tell you what they are doing. Okay, so just red flags going on here. If you would ask me, don't even think about investing in it, because basically what they will do is they take the money that you invest, yeah, and at some point, maybe in 4 hours or in 4 days or whatever, they will just rug pull. That means whatever amount of money is in the contract, they will take it and they will run away, and you have no idea who they are. Yeah, they don't show their faces, no names, no KYC, nothing at all. They don't even have a white paper. I mean, it's so basic to write the white paper, guys. Nothing of this is here, so just red flags, guys, just red flags. As always, guys, no financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your own money, but just red flags here, guys. Okay, this will be gone in a couple of days or hours. Let's see. Just don't invest. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.